Today's topic is using greater than or less than symbols and equal to symbols. Greater than looks like this. Less than looks like this. And we know that the two bars parallel to each other stand for equal to. If I'm going to use greater than or less than, I'm going to use that to compare numbers. If I look at my top set of numbers, here I have a 5, and here I have a 3. I'm going to think about which number has greater value. If I'm a little kid and I use my fingers, I hold up 5 fingers, and on my other hand I hold up 3 fingers, I can easily see that the 5 is a larger number. It has more value. So I'm going to show greater than, meaning that 5 is greater than 3. Some teachers may talk to you about the open alligator mouth, and I'm going to just draw some teeth here, showing that this open mouth wants to eat more M&Ms that are the value of 5 than 3. If I look at my next set of numbers down below, I have an 11 and I have a 2. Again, I want my open alligator mouth or my symbol to point towards the larger number, which is 11. So here again, my symbol goes that direction. If I'm going to use the less than sign, I'm going to again think about comparing how many numbers I have, how much I have for the value of that number. Here I have a number 4 and a number 6. I know that 6 is my larger number, so I'm going to show that 4 is less than 6. And again, I have the open alligator mouth open towards the 6. 33 and 44, again thinking about the value, 44 is greater than 33, or 33 is less than 44. I can do the same thing with adding or subtracting numbers, or by showing fractions of numbers. Here I have 5 plus nothing equals or is the same value as 5. That is true. Down here I have two fractions. This fraction shows 1/3. This fraction shows 6/18. And if I look at the size of the shape, the amount that this shaded part takes up on each picture, it does show that these two are also equal. And I can also do an equivalent fraction problem. 1 times 6 is 6, 3 times 6 is 18, so those two are equal. Here's the quiz that you need to take thinking about greater than or less than. If you need to go back and watch the video, please do. Otherwise, go ahead and write down the answers in your composition notebook, and we will check them in class to make sure that they are correct. Remember our steps. Read the problem. Read the problem again. Check the information to make sure you are using everything you need to use. Look at the possible answers. Choose the correct answer. And our last step is to recheck or do the problem again to make sure you have not made a mistake.